after we break a needle, the first thing we're gonna do is put a new needle in, make sure that the needle is all the way up inside the needle bar. When you insert the new needle, from the top of where it goes into the needle bar to where it comes down to taper is 1/8 of an inch. So after we put our new needle in, we're gonna rotate the flywheel and see where the needle is hitting. The natural rotation of the machine is clockwise. So our left hand's gonna rotate this flywheel up, and as our needle comes down, it's making contact with the hook assembly right here. We're gonna do this to loosen the belt is, I am at 6 o'clock, the front of the machine is 12 o'clock, my right hand is 3 o'clock, my left hand is 9 o'clock. I'm gonna take my right hand at 3 o'clock and I'm gonna bring it back to 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock. That's one rotation. I'm gonna do that 2 more times. 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, one more time. 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock. I end at 3 o'clock. So that's 3 full rotations that we've now loosened the belt. Now that we have the belt loose in the back, we're gonna try popping the belt 1 tooth at a time until we can get the needle back into its rotation. With one hand, make sure the needle's up. With one hand, grab a hold of the hook assembly because we're gonna prevent this from moving. And with your thumb, you're going to push down 1 pop at a time. Sometimes it's an audible click, sometimes you can just feel it go down 1. So I'm gonna grab a hold of the hook with my thumb, I'm gonna push down, and that was 1 click. I'm gonna let go, and then I'm gonna rotate my flywheel to see if I can get full rotation now. I am really close. I'm still hitting right here, but I'm closer than where I was. I'm gonna bring the needle back up, grab a hold of the hook assembly again with my right hand, and I'm gonna try popping it down 1 more time, like that. I'm gonna let go, I'm gonna rotate. There, I got clearance. To check to see if the needle bar depth has changed because that's gonna decide on which direction we go there. So with our left hand, rotating the flywheel all the way up, and it's gonna bring the needle down until it can't go down any further. That needle depth looks pretty good. You wanna see the entire eye of the needle, a little bit of silver above it. Now that we've checked our needle depth, we're going to rotate the flywheel so that the needle starts to come back up. The hook point on the hook assembly is going to make contact with the needle in a specific target point just below the center line of the scarf. Let's do it one more time. We'll go up, and the needle comes back down. It's all the way down. Just as it starts to come back up, is their hook point is right there, and it's going to make contact and kiss very lightly the back side of that needle. Put it back just so that where it stops. And that's perfect. Now we're gonna tighten our belt back up the full 3 rotations that we loosened it. So my right hand again is gonna place it on 3 o'clock. I'm gonna push it towards the front of the machine at 12 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock. That's 1 rotation. I'm gonna do that 2 more times. There's 2, and there's 3. And you will feel it get tighter as you go on each rotation.